Hello Internet and welcome to this edition of Adventures in Lockpicking. We're going to have a first attempt at the Squire number 35. First things first, let's get it out of the package. It is, if we look here, a 4-pin lock, so this should be within my abilities. Alright, let's see what kind of tension wrench I need. Looks like this guy's gonna work. Alright. I'm gonna start off once again with my preferred offset hybrid. We'll see what we can do. Oh, I was not expecting this to open that quickly. Well, that was both fun and quick. So until next time, subscribe if you want, and most importantly, have a nice day.